Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and tools to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to sign up for Monarch Money, a super intuitive app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and take control of your finances. If you're tired of spreadsheets and manual tracking, this is the guide you've been waiting for. Let's get started. First off, what's Monarch Money? It's a sleek personal finance app designed for everyday users like you and me. It connects to your bank accounts, categorizes transactions, and even offers insights to help you save more. Signing up is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so you'll be budgeting like a boss in no time. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser or head to your App Store. Search for Monarch Money on the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. If you're on a computer, go directly to www.monarchmoney.com. Step 2. Once you're on the site or in the app, look for the prominent Sign Up or Get Started button. Click it to begin the process. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Pro tip: use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Step 4. Next, fill in some basic details like your name and date of birth. This helps verify your identity and personalize your experience. Step 5. Monarch Money will send a verification code to your email or phone. Enter that code quickly to activate your account. Step 6. Now, you can customize your settings. Link your bank accounts, set up categories for your expenses, and define your financial goals. It's that simple. Congratulations, you're all signed up. Start exploring the app to see how it can transform your money management. If you encounter any hiccups, check the help section or reach out to their support team. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. What's your favorite finance app? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next one.